There you go.
Somebody likes to have his hair combed. Kason, long way over here.
Let's get that Bieber look.
Oh, look at your hair.
Not quite long enough for the Bieber look. Do your head, boom, boom.
Oh, how cute. Oh no. Oh goodness. It's gonna dry like that.
Could be the next Donald Trump with this hair.
Okay, time to do it back.
I think he likes it.
No, you don't like it.
You don't like it? Okay.
Oh, God bless you. God bless you. You see the camera? Yeah. Say bye to the camera. Bye.